Today, we're going to build an M1917 light tank using 7 Lego pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
We're going to start with this Battle Droid torso piece, and the larger part where like the arms would go and the shoulders of our droid is going to be the back of our tank, and the smaller end where the legs would attach or the hips is going to be the front of our tank. Now, to begin it, we're going to get a 1x2 plate, and you've got that anti-stud in the middle. You're going to put that anti-stud into the center stud here on our droid torso piece like this. And now we've got this back stud here. On the back stud, we're going to get a cheese wedge slope and put it so the cheese wedge slope is sloping down the back and going up to the center and towards the front. And on this front stud, we're going to get a 1x1 brick with 1 stud on the side, and we're going to put that on our front stud like this, facing forward. And now I had to experiment with lots of different things to get like the right length for the tank's barrel or cannon, and what I came up with was the Minifigure Lipstick piece, which I actually got from my Statue of Liberty set, brickheads. And so what I do is I put that lipstick part into the hole of my front stud here, and I've got the cannon to my tank, and all we have left now are the tank treads. And if you look at the old M1917 tank, it's kind of got these small little treads, and they get bigger and bigger as they head towards the front. So for that, I'm going to use a TECHNIC cam piece, and we've got this back hole on the TECHNIC cam piece. We're going to put that into the shoulders of our droid where the arms would go, and put that in. There's a lot of give here, so you're just going to kind of move it to the position you like till it looks like that tank, and we're going to get to both sides. And when we are done, we'll have an M1917 tank, the very first mass-produced U.S. tank created for World War I.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe or check out some of our other videos. Until next time, let's keep building together.